Welcome to the shooting show. This week, Stuart Wilson and I take two high-flying Red Devils from the 3rd Battalion the Parachute Regiment on their debut roebuck stalks. Plus we bring you all the latest news from the shooting world.
Stuart and I make our respective ways into position for a morning stalk with our high-flying guests, Steve and Frenchie from the Parachute Regiment's Red Devils display team. Dawn is just breaking as Stuart and Steve get sat in the high seat, quietly loading the rifle in readiness for a buck.
He's down. Can't see him. He's behind the tree, he's down well. Perfect shot. I'll watch the shot. Nice. Brilliant. Cheers, buddy. God, just got him snaking through. I did not expect him. Did you hear it? I heard him before and I was like, quite about it. Nice one. Nice solid chest shot as well. Second. Nice solid chest shot. Yeah. When they sort of spot you, coming in really close like that, if adrenaline's up, you could see by the way he was stepping, there was nothing we could do really. He's literally there. I mean, we could have jumped on him nearly. Give it a second. And it's just that bit of adrenaline that's in the system that when you've then taken the shot, that he's reacting, his flight response has kind of kicked in. If he hadn't been aware of us at all, he'd have just dropped on the spot there because that was a clean shot. till I find your book.
As Stuart and Steve follow up their buck, we join myself and Frenchie as we too stalk onto a buck and wait in anticipation for a shot to present itself.
Okay, wait for him to turn. Okay. Okay. When you're ready. Reload. Okay, make safe. Good shot, mate. Well done, mate. That is one interesting roebuck.
Ours is in the bag,
There
and
you
we're
go.
hopeful
Cheers,
that
Pete.
Steve's shot has also found success.
Straight in front of us. Yeah.
Stalking in close proximity, we all gather to admire Steve's rifle work.
The cracker, and he's been fraying. So well done, Mr. Wilson. You managed to get Steve his first roebuck. So yeah, you know that just shows us hope for everybody.
My guiding ability, or for Steve's stalking, to be fair, I don't know which you're sort of driving at.
Well, I'll leave that to you two. So good roebuck for your first roebuck. That's exceptional, Steve.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yeah. So what did you think to your first experience?
Yeah, it was good. Got the juices flowing.
Good.
As it were.
Well,
It was a nice end to a fairly sort of short stint in the high seat. It was a bit cold, you were shivering a little bit. The little buck came along, he was sort of left-handed on us. He was sort of coming probably from an area where I maybe wouldn't have expected him based on what we had in front of us. And he sort of put the jump on us a little bit, and you know, to get the camera onto him and for, you know, Steve as a novice stalker to get onto him and without disturbing him, it was impressive and it was good. So, you know, I mean, I was really pleased.
so we were quite fortunate, really. So we pulled in down back of the wood, and a buck and a doe just skipped on out of the hedge side and across. So we just let them go back of the hedge, round the corner, give them 10 minutes or so, and off they went. Quite short stalk, really, 30-40 yards down the side of the woodland there, and the buck popped out. They just skipped along in front of the wood in front of us, deployed the tripod, and Frenchie was up on there, and that was it. 10 seconds later, boom, straight down the shoulder. Yeah, top shot. So what did you think, Frenchie?
Yeah, great. First time out. Didn't take that long either. I thought we'd be out here for a few hours, so it's nice.
Yeah,
Literally put around the wood line and
You're with the A team now, mate.
that's it. No, it's, yeah, great morning.
Cool.
Yeah, cheers, Pete. It's a good little morning out. I think it's our turn next. Take you down and throw you out an airplane for the afternoon.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
Happy with that, mate.
Does he have to have a parachute?
Well, we can take one. I'll have a parachute, but we'd have to give him one.
That'd be right. Beautiful.
Frenchie and Steve there doing the double. And now it's the Shooting Show news.
This is the Shooting Show news. Grouse shooting uncertainty continues to rise in Scotland. Scottish Environment Secretary Rosanna Cunningham has told MSPs she will establish an independent inquiry into grouse moors, looking at the possibility of a licensing system as well as restricting muirburn and the control of mountain hares. Country sports groups expressed their dismay that such a decision could be taken at a time when the level of wildlife crime, according to government statistics, is at a historically low level. There's a new crackdown on past convictions that could see shotgun and firearms licence applicants risking prosecution, BASC has warned. It's told all applicants they need to declare all previous convictions, no matter how long ago or how irrelevant. All motoring convictions must also be declared, and no convictions are considered spent for this purpose. Police in Wales have launched a number of prosecutions on this point already, so make sure you don't fall foul of the law. BASC and the Game Fair have joined forces. The UK's biggest shooting organisation will be the fair's official partner, ensuring the event has a strong shooting and field sports emphasis. Don't forget, all BASC members can go to the Game Fair absolutely free. Get yourself down to Hatfield House on the 28th to the 30th of July. Book your tickets now at thegamefair.org. And finally, 60,000 pupils will learn how to cook game after the Taste of Game campaign teamed up with secondary school teachers. As part of the new GCSE in food preparation and nutrition, teachers will learn how to cook and prepare 2 pheasant recipes before introducing this into their lessons. Taste of Game's Annette Woolcock said this is an exciting project which will put healthy, nutritious game meat directly in front of the next generation. That was the Shooting Show news.
Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. Please like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. And if you're not a member of BASC, it's time to join now. BASC, looking after your sport, looking after you. This has been The Shooting Show.